Hello everyone, it's Nancy here. I am going to try another talking video because there's a few things I'd like to tell you about this project. I'm not going to go through all the names now because I started that and that didn't work. I'll have all the links in the description below. This is my design team project for Polka Art Studio. I have used the Once Upon a Time Volume 1 collection. It is gorgeous. I love it. I have used a Zutter curved spine coverall that I've had in my stash for quite a while, so it's been bound with my Bind It All. I have a dangle full of charms here. There's gold coins, a flower, a glass slipper that's gold, a crown, some beads, a skeleton key. It just suits the theme of this very nicely. All the pages I have added, I think you can see a little bit of that. I have added ice stickles too, and that stuff is so pretty and sparkly. And I've also got a little bit of glossy accents on here for all the jewels. I have added an eyelet to the front and back covers, and I have strung some crinkly seam binding through. So here is the inside. This is, I think that's my favorite paper, but they're also pretty. Again, I added stickles. I have a lot of ephemera. The ephemera came in the junk journal version of the collection. The papers that I used for my 8-inch papers, they are from the scrapbooking papers. They're available in both 12-inch and 8-inch. Their pockets and all came from the junk journal kit. Now this you may recognize. I did a flip through of this recently. I wanted to include it in my journal, and so what I did was I added a clear acrylic piece. I wrapped this elastic fuzzy blue cord around before binding it so that it's all held in place, and this way I can slip the folio in and it looks so pretty, and I can see the back too, and it's just a really nice way to include it all nice and enclosed. Here's another one of the pretty papers, more stickles. I didn't think I could cover these up with photos or anything. I just think they're so pretty. So what I did was I backed them all with other papers, which will be linked below. There's the blue decorative paper pack and the vintage flowers decorative paper pack that I also used. The ephemera again is from the junk journal collection. Lots of pretty little bits, tickets. This I added a couple of the movable Zutter photo pockets, so I've popped them in on these pages, but they can be taken out and moved wherever you want. The little hand mirror that I glued inside, I punched a piece of foil so that it looked more like a mirror, which is kind of cute. Lots of room there for pictures. Here's a pocket with a sweet little envelope. Everything's got a little tuck or something included. Here's another set of papers. What I love is there are papers that coordinate. They're made to match and go together. They work perfectly like this, or you can put one on the back. They're just so pretty. Again, lots of stickles. And then these are from the vintage flower paper pack. This is from the folio kit. There are definitions. This is one of the belly bands that's included, and the envelope matches so perfectly. That's just got a piece of cardstock in it. And then there's another page, matching papers, more stickles, a little pocket here with a tag tucked in. Some more of the blue papers with a band here that's made into a tuck spot for tags. Another definition with a little bit of cheesecloth behind. And there's this little part for journaling and a little pocket that has a couple of journal cards in it. And then two more pretty papers. I guess you could fit photos in here, but there's also lines, so some nice journaling on this page would be really nice. Some more of the pretty pink collection. Another pocket. Another tuck with a journaling card. Another photo flip. This is from the folio. There's room to tuck behind it. The invitation to the grand ball with the ticket here. This is open so photos can be tucked under here. And then this is the last set of gorgeous pages. Here lots of stickles have been added to this band, and then these are some more tucks. This was from the folio kit, as was this. And then this is another good spot for journaling. Or you could add some more pages in that too. And then the last page again with this one at the back. It's been bound with my Bind It All. And it was such a fun collection to work on. And there are lots more in the Polka Art Studio Etsy shop, which of course will be linked below. And I just thought I'd tell you a little bit about it instead of just doing a regular flip through. All right, that's it for now. Hope I kept this short enough. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.